Hey everyone, in the realm of portable home entertainment, the Formovie Episode One projector is revolutionary. It is a unique option for anyone wishing to improve their movie nights, gaming sessions, or event hosting because of its elegant appearance, user-friendly features, and remarkable performance. Let's examine why both casual users and enthusiasts are taking notice of this projector. The Formovie Episode One's autofocus and auto keystone adjustment features are among its most notable features. These capabilities eliminate the need for laborious manual adjustments and guarantee a perfectly aligned and crystal clear image. With quick self-calibration, the projector consistently produces a crisp, uniformly focused image. The simple setup improves the whole experience, whether you're gaming, viewing a movie, or watching a live sporting event. The first episode of the Formovie has really amazing picture quality. It creates a vivid range of almost 16 million colors and deep blacks, making for an immersive viewing experience. Users can enjoy their material without having to darken the room because the brightness and clarity are maintained even in well-lit areas. Your entertainment demands are met by the Formovie Episode One, which has a variety of inputs, such as HDMI, USB, and Bluetooth 5.0. With only a touch of a button on the remote, users can access streaming services like Netflix and YouTube using the built-in Google TV. Additionally, this projector has Wi-Fi, making it possible to quickly and easily access a wide range of streaming services and applications. The projector's two 3-watt speakers provide a powerful soundtrack to go along with its amazing images. In most situations, there is no need for extra speakers because the sound is strong and clear, whether you're watching a concert or a popular film. The Formovie Episode One is lightweight and portable, weighing only 1.25 kilos, which makes it simple to put up for outdoor events or move between rooms. Its adaptable tripod mount offers a variety of positioning possibilities, and its rubberized bottom guarantees stability on any surface. The projector's elegant design and premium glass lens demonstrate a commitment to both practicality and beauty. With a long-lasting bulb rated for thousands of hours of operation, the projector is built to last and be efficient. It's an eco-friendly option that doesn't sacrifice performance because of its low operating power usage of only 65 watts. The Formovie Episode One has a responsive and seamless user interface and runs on an Android operating system with 2 gigs RAM and 16 gigs storage. Its voice-activated Google Assistant adds a layer of convenience by enabling users to manage the gadget and access information with ease, while its Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities further increase its versatility. For those looking for high-end home entertainment in a small container, the Formovie Episode One projector is a great option. It is a worthwhile purchase due to its state-of-the-art features, user-friendliness, and outstanding performance. This projector promises to provide an unmatched viewing experience whether you're streaming your favorite shows, throwing a party, or having a peaceful movie night. The Formovie Episode One is a decision you won't regret if you're prepared to enhance your entertainment system. It stands out in the market thanks to its unique combination of smart technology, style, and substance. Thanks for watching. What do you think of the new projector? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day, and God bless you.